Today, we're delving deep into the pages of Grandma's gardening journal, decoding her timeless wisdom that not only makes gardening a joyous activity, but also a smart financial move. If you're looking to reconnect with the earth and save some green while you're at it, stay tuned. 1. Starting with seeds. Before big box nurseries were a thing, Grandma would carefully select and store seeds. Not only are seeds significantly cheaper than established plants, but by starting from scratch, you get a better understanding of your plant's growth journey and needs. 2. The art of companion planting. Nature has its way of balance. Marigolds repel pests that tomatoes attract, and basil enhances the flavor and growth of tomatoes. Learning such combinations can save you on pesticides and increase your yield. 3. Harnessing the power of natural pesticides. Instead of buying chemical-laden pesticides, Grandma would concoct her own using chilies, garlic, and even certain herbs. These are effective, environmentally friendly, and gentle on the pocket. 4. Crop rotation, an age-old strategy. Replanting the same vegetable in the same place can deplete soil nutrients and invite diseases. By rotating crops, you maintain soil health and reduce the risk of pest infestations. 5. The wealth of homemade compost. Grandma's compost pit was her treasure trove. Kitchen scraps, garden trimmings, and even certain paper products decomposed into nutrient-rich food for her plants. It's recycling at its best and most economical. 6. Rainwater, nature's gift. Grandma's old barrels and containers weren't mere garden decor. She'd collect rainwater, which is not only free but also better for plants due to its lack of chemicals. 7. Pruning, more than just trimming. Pruning helps in directing the plant's energy to where it matters. Regularly removing dead or overgrown parts ensures that the nutrients aren't wasted and increases the quality of the produce. 8. The perennial wisdom. While annuals were a part of her garden, Grandma loved her perennials. From berries to artichokes, these plants might take time initially, but they keep giving year after year without needing to replant. 9. Magic of propagation. Why keep buying plants when you can multiply what you have? Many urban plants can be grown from cuttings. It's sustainable and economical. 10. Seed saving, nature's continuity. After every harvest, Grandma would meticulously select and store seeds for the next season. It's like an investment that grows with time. 11. Vertical gardening, sky's the limit. Space was never a constraint for our creative grandmas. Using trellises, walls, and even old ladders, they'd grow beans, peas, and even pumpkins vertically. 12. Mulch, the protector. Mulching with straw, leaves, or even cardboard reduces water evaporation, suppresses weed growth, and maintains soil temperature. It's a simple, low-cost method with multiple benefits. 13. Grow the exquisite. Instead of the usual produce, Grandma would sometimes opt for specialty varieties, ones that are costly in markets but flourish with care at home, ensuring gourmet meals without the price tag. 14. So, according to seasons, Grandma was attuned to nature's clock. By understanding local seasons and planting accordingly, she had a varied, fresh supply all year round, reducing reliance on stored or imported food. 15. Inviting pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and even certain birds play a crucial role in pollination. By having flowers and plants that attract these little helpers, Grandma ensured a consistent and healthy yield. Gardening, as Grandma showed us, is not just about growing plants. It's a holistic approach to life. By understanding and respecting nature's processes and cycles, we can cultivate a garden that is not just productive, but also sustainable. It's about being in harmony with the environment and reaping the multiple rewards it offers. Armed with Grandma's gardening goldmine of tips, you're set to transform any patch of earth or even a balcony into a flourishing, food-producing haven. In these times of rising prices and environmental concerns, her age-old wisdom shines even brighter, guiding us towards self-reliance, sustainability, and savings. Remember, every big tree starts from a tiny seed and every financial saving starts from a single coin. Embrace these tips and watch your garden and savings bloom. Happy gardening!